Welcome. Starting a bit. Thank you. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to 824 Breaks. Thank you for joining tonight. Appreciate it. We have Baseball Break 250 tonight, doing the mix of some 2022 products. 7 items tonight. We have 2 packs, 2 hangers, 2 blasters, and 1 hobby box tonight. Let's go ahead and go over these here. All right. We have a Donruss value pack, 30 cards in here. Looking for a 3 holo red and a vector parallel on average. Top Series 1. Value pack, 36 cards in here, looking for some royal blue base parallels. Hangers, we have a Heritage, 35 cards in here. And a Donruss, 50 cards, 6 holo orange, 2 diamond parallels on average. Alright, we have Archives Blaster, 56 cards, 3 exclusive 88 tops big foil insert cards on average. And then we have Topps Update Series, 99 cards in here. 1 commemorative batting helmet card on average per box. Last box, Diamond Kings Hobby, 96 cards, 2 hits on average. Either autograph or MM. Alright, let's go over our participants. Break 250, we have Mike, Diamondbacks, Nolan, Braves, Mike, Orioles, Red Sox, Cubs, Drew, White Sox, Mike, Reds, Guardians, Rockies, Brian, Tigers, Mike, Astros and Royals, Ian, Angels, Leica, Dodgers, Mike, Marlins, Drew, Brewers, Nolan, Twins, Bruce, Mets, Dario, Yankees, Mike, Athletics, Preston, Phillies, Dario, Pirates, Leica, Padres and Giants, Ian, Mariners, Mike, Cardinals, Dario, Rays, Mike, Rangers and Blue Jays, and Jose with the Nationals. Give me a second here. Let me approve Preston for us. All right. So just a little and I'll start. All right, let's start with the Top Series 1, 36 cards in here. Good luck, everyone. All right, start to break off with a Tyler Glass now. Rookie Tyler McGill for the Mets. Walk off with the Yankees. Perez, Abreu, Hernandez. What's up, Preston? Good luck with your Phillies there. We will randomize that for everyone. Ray, I'm sorry for those 3 teams. Ray, Cole, and Dylan Cease. We will randomize that as well. Use that in the end. Yeah, Brian Hayes, Jacob Stallings, Ernie Clement, rookie for the Guardians, Christian Javier, Carson Kelly, Cardinals team card, James McCann, rookie Gavin Sheets for the White Sox, Mike Trout, Josh Donaldson, Connor Wong, rookie Red Sox, Rainbow Foil, Keston Hiura for the Brewers, 6 4-stars, that's Lindor and Baez for the Mets, Byron Buxton, Javi Baez. Rookie Cal Raleigh for the Mariners, Luis Robert. Mike Yastrzemski, Hanser Alberto. Chris Flexen, Alex Bregman, Nick Solak, Will Smith. Alcides Escobar, Trevor Rogers, Alex Kirilloff. Alec Manoah, Travis Shaw. Rookie Tony Santillan for the Reds, Wade Miley, and Mauricio Dubon. Alright, next pack. Donruss. Value pack, 30 cards, looking for 3 holo red and a vector parallel. Alright, rookie Colton Welker. Corbin Burns, Spencer Strider, rookie for the Braves. Babe Ruth for the Red Sox. Reese Conner, rookie Padres. Ronald Acuna, Josiah Gray for the Nationals. Yordan Alvarez. Rod Carew, Brooks Robinson. Robbie Ray, Ty France, Frank Thomas. Garrett Cole, Ryan McMahon, Yohan Moncada, Zach Gallen. Josh Hader, Retro 88. Aaron Nola, Willie Stargell, Matt Olson, Lou Brock, Trevor Rogers, Adam Wainwright, Stan Musial, red parallel of Joey Votto, Diamond Kings, that's number to 2022. Holo red, Ronald Acuna, Ivan Rodriguez, Matt Brash, holo red for the Mariners, Unleashed Juan Soto, vector parallel. Gonna go to Jose. That's number to 2022. Joey Votto. All right, on to our hangers. Let's go Heritage. 35 cards in here, 1973 design. Empty box. All right, we have Brian Reynolds, Christian Walker, Yanni Hernandez, rookie for the Rangers, Hunter Renfroe, Josh Donaldson, Bobby Dalbec, Sammy Long, rookie for the Giants, Herman Marquez, Jazz Chisholm, Jake Berger, rookie for the White Sox, Carlos Santana, Brandon Crawford, Ian Anderson, Freddie Galvis, Patrick Corbin, Joey Gallo, Yu Chang, Harrison Bader, Miguel Cabrera, Juan Soto, Jake Odorizzi, Anthony Santander, Brian Goodwin, Brandon Nemo, Taiwan Walker. Nice red chrome parallel here. Luis Robert. That's going to be number to 573. UH Performers insert of Jared Kelenic. That's for the Mariners. Eugenio Suarez, Justin Verlander, Willie Castro, Kike Hernandez for the Red Sox, Abraham Toro, Anthony Rendon, Tommy Pham, Aaron Savale. All right, red, Luis Robert, number to 573. Let's go on to Drew. Next hanger, Donruss. 50 cards, 6 holo orange, 2 diamond parallels on average. Empty box. All right, we have Jorge Polanco, Andrew Vaughn, Shohei Ohtani, Austin Hayes, Matt Chapman, Pedro Martinez, Chris Flexen, Chris Bryant, Tariq Skubal, Trey Turner, Cedric Mullins, Lucas Giolito, Luis Robert, Blake Snell, Craig Biggio, Jesse Winker, Nolan Arenado, Babe Ruth, Patrick Wisdom, Rafi Devers, Brandon Belt, Francisco Lindor, Yadi Molina, Jake Cronenworth, Vlad Guerrero, Ian Anderson, Luis Castillo, Javi Baez, rookie Jarren Duran for the Red Sox, Doogie, that's a variation of Alex Verdugo, Red Sox, Gavin Sheets, rookie for the White Sox, Salvador Perez, Josh Lowe for the Rays, Vlad Guerrero Jr., Kevin Smith, rookie Blue Jays, Vlad Guerrero Jr., rookie Lars Nootbaar for the Cardinals, Mookie Betts, Luis Frias, rookie for the Diamondbacks, Jim Thome, Seth Beer, rookie Diamondbacks, Joey Votto, hollow orange of Luis Robert, Blake Snell, Bryce Harper, hollow retro, Josh Bell. That's going to be a Waltham hollow orange name variation of Kyle Schwarber for the Red Sox. Orange, Edward Cabrera, rookie for the Marlins. Diamond, Tim Anderson, the hit list, and a trending of Lou Bob. Let's leave some of these up real quick. All right, on to our blasters. Let's do archives. 56 cards in here, 3 exclusive, 88 Topps big foil cards, inserts on average. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7 packs. 8 cards per pack. Good luck. All right, Mark McGuire, Craig Biggio, Brian Reynolds, Corbin Burns. Back to back, that's Pete Alonso. Cody Bellinger, Aaron Judge, and Dylan Carlson. Mitch Haniger, Jed Lowry, Giancarlo Stanton, Tim Anderson, rookie Luis Frias for the Diamondbacks. Big foil rookie, that's going to be Wander Franco. Willie Mays, Oren Spahn, and Ron Santo. Big foil. Going to Dario. Trey Turner, Nico Horner, Kyle Muller, rookie for the Braves, Josiah Gray, rookie, Nationals, Kyle Schwarber, big foil, Ivan Rodriguez for the Rangers, Stephen Kwan, rookie for the Guardians, Yu Darvish, and Aki Brian Hayes. Kwan, rookie. Just gonna go to Mike. Next pack. Rookie Aaron Ashby for the Brewers, Cedric Mullins, Nick Madrigal, Trevor Rogers, Wander Franco, rookie. Luis Garcia, Dansby Swanson, and a Jake McCarthy rookie, Diamondbacks. Franco. Next pack. Chris Sale, Andrew Benintendi, Kenta Maeda, Chris Bassett, Tyler O'Neill, Derek Jeter. Big foil rookie, Gavin Sheets for the White Sox. Rookie Jackson Kowar for the Royals, and a Max Kepler. Gavin Sheets, big foil. Next pack. Kyle Lewis, Babe Ruth, Roger Maris, Monte Irvin, Mackenzie Gore rookie for the Padres, Trey Mancini, Adam Frazier, Bill Mazeroski. All right, last pack of archives. Mike Piazza, Carlton Fisk, Mike Yastrzemski, JT Realmuto, Alex Bregman. That's going to be a parallel. That's numbered to 99, 15 out of 99 for the Astros. Got an insert postcard of Mike Trout, Lou Brock, and Jack Morris. It's going to go to Mike, 15 out of 99. All right, next blast for me. It's update, Topps update. 99 cards, one batting helmet card on average. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 cards per pack. Good luck. Ihar Adrianza, Connor Joe, Garrett Richards, aces up with the Mets. Cole Sands, rookie for the Twins. Rookie debut, Edward Cabrera. Jose Cisnero, Tyler Wade, Christian Pache, Kevin Smith, rookie for the A's. Yan Gomes, Paragons of the Postseason, John Smoltz for the Braves. Dansby Swanson, All-Star for the Braves. Julio Urias. Wrong Julio there. Hopefully he'll show up for you there, Ian. Adam Frazier, Tommy Romero, rookie for the Rays. Tyrone Taylor, Gosige Kato, that's for the rookie for the Blue Jays. Travis Jankowski for the Mets. Daniel Vogelbach, Francisco Morales, rookie for the Phillies. AJ Pollock, Jesse Winker, Camilo Duval, rookie debut Spencer Torkelson, Isaac Paredes, Maikel Franco, stars of MLB rookie Alec Thomas for the D-backs. Rookie Jack Sawinski, that's for the Pirates. Michael Lorenzen, Eric Thames, Alec Thomas rookie for the D-backs. Rookie debut of Hunter Green for the Reds. Tyler Naquin, Andrew Kinsner. Tyler Anderson, Alex Degatti rookie for the Astros. John Gray. Parallel rookie debut of Seiya Suzuki for the Cubs. It's a Phoenix Sanders double rookie combo there for the Rays. That's going to be number to 50. It's at the Father's Day parallel there. 35th of Yordan Alvarez. Stars of MLB, Royce Lewis for the Twins. That's for Dario. Father's Day parallel, number to 50. Debut parallel, Seiya Suzuki. Will Smith, Nick Castellanos, rookie Seiya Suzuki for the Cubs. Nick Pavetta, rookie debut of Mackenzie Gore for the Padres. Chris Bryant, Yoshi Kikuchi, that is Dodgers. Clayton Kershaw, rookie Bryce Elder for the Braves. Adam Ottavino, Richie Palacios, rookie for the Guardians. Chris Paddock, All-Star Miguel Cabrera, Ryan Mountcastle. Yeah, I haven't seen them around for a bit. Carlos Rodon, debut Shane Baz for the Rays. Tommy Pham, Steven Matz, Matt Brash, rookie debut for the Mariners. Zach Greinke, Jace Peterson, Nick Allen, rookie for the A's. Sergio Alcantara, Drew Stickenrider, Alex Faedo for the Tigers. Stars of MLB Chrome, Javi Baez. Batting helmet, Royce Lewis, rookie for the Twins. Lewis Generation Now for the Twins as well, and Javi Baez. Royce Lewis. Next pack. Jules Shashin, Raimel Tapia. Career home runs, Ohtani, 100 career home runs. Amir Garrett, Danielson Lamet, Jorge Soler, Bobby Witt Jr. rookie, Avisel Garcia, John Duran rookie for the Twins, Orlando Arcia, James Norwood, Diego Castillo rookie for the Pirates, Austin Meadows, there's their Julio Rodriguez, MLB rookie. Going to Ian. Bobby Witt. Going to Mike. All right, last pack of update. Jacob Stallings, Hunter Green, rookie for the Reds. Caleb Thielbar. That is rookie Simon Muzziotti for the Phillies. Andrew McCutchen, Brian Lavestida, rookie for the Guardians. Carlos Correa. Gabriel Arias, rookie Guardians. Nelson Cruz, Craig Kimbrell, Rainbow Foil, Andrelton Simmons, little bottom dent there for the Cubs. Nolan Ryan, 35th for the Rangers. Vlad Guerrero Jr., All-Star. Shane Baz, rookie Rays. All right. Last box, hobby box of Diamond Kings. Gonna have 12 packs, 8 cards per pack. That's 96 cards, 2 hits on average, either autographs or mems. It's normally 1 and 1. And 3 gray frame, 1 plum frame parallel on average. Let's see if we can get lucky tonight and hit a downtown or one of these other rare inserts there. There's our packs. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 cards per pack. Good luck. All right, got Charlie Keller, A-Rod, going to the Rangers. Tatis Jr., rookie Romy Gonzalez for the White Sox. Josiah Gray for the Nationals. Got our first hit. Dual patch auto, Curtis Terry for the Twins. Aficionado of Tim Anderson. Ronzi Contreras, rookie, that's for the Pirates. All right. Let's go to Nolan. Next pack. Vlad Guerrero Jr., Francisco Lindor, Max Scherzer, Curtis Terry, rookie for the Twins, Juan Yepez, rookie for the Cardinals, gray frame, Mike Trout. Maestro is Miguel Cabrera, and a Greg Diekman, rookie, that's for the Cubs. Gray frame, Mike Trout. Let's go into Ian. Yepez, rookie. Going to Mike. Next pack. Sam Crawford, Shane Bieber, Yordan Alvarez, Vidal Brujan, rookie for the Rays, Edward Cabrera, rookie Marlins, Roy Campanella, Art of Hitting insert, Mel Ott. Going to the New York Giants, so it's going to go to Frisco, I believe, Giants. And Jose Siri, rookie for the Astros. Next pack. Byron Buxton, Ivan Rodriguez, Cal Ripken, Otto Lopez rookie for the Blue Jays, Chas McCormick for the Astros, Ichiro, Elegant Stan Musial for the Cardinals, Matt Vierling rookie for the Phillies. Next pack. Tony Gwynn, Randy Rosarena, Roger Maris, rookie Tyler McGill for the Mets, TJ Friedel for the Reds, Madison Bumgarner, Galleria Stars, Nolan Arenado, Shane Baz rookie for the Rays. Cool Papa Bell, Negro League, so we will randomize. Cool Papa Bell. Joey Votto, Xander Bogaerts, Reed Detmers rookie for the Angels, Luke Williams rookie for the Phillies, Brian Reynolds, Artist Palette, insert Cedric Mullins for the Orioles, Aaron Ashby rookie for the Brewers. Next pack. Javi Baez, Jose Altuve, Gabby Hartnett, Jackson Kawhi rookie for the Royals, Glenn Otto for the Rangers, Buck Leonard, aficionado Nick Castellanos going to the Reds, Josh Lowe rookie for the Rays. Bryce Harper, Marcus Stroman, Joe Cronin, O'Neal Cruz rookie for the Pirates, Tony Santillan, Gray Frame Shohei, Modern Strokes, Jose Altuve, rookie Brandon Marsh for the Angels. Gray Frame Shohei. O'Neal Cruz going to Dario. Next pack. Nolan Arenado, Mike Trout, George Sisler, Hans Kraus rookie for the Phillies. There's a plum frame, Gavin Sheets rookie for the White Sox. Aaron Nola, Maestro is George Brett for the Royals. Riley Adams rookie for the Nationals. Plum frame. Excuse me. Next pack. Honus Wagner, Paul Goldschmidt, Jose Abreu, Seth Beer rookie for the Diamondbacks, Brian De La Cruz for the Marlins, Portrait Materials, dual patch, Mark McGuire for the Cardinals. That's going to be number to 25. Whit Merrifield, Jake Myers rookie for the Astros. All right, it's going to go to Mike. Number 18 out of 25. All right, last 2 packs. I do have some cards to randomize, and then we'll do a recap for you guys. Ernie Banks, Corey Seager, Walter Alston, Connor Wong, rookie for the Red Sox, Matt Brash, rookie for the Mariners, Jacob deGrom, Galleria Stars, Juan Soto, Mike Bauman, rookie, Orioles. All right, last pack of our break. Again, a couple cards to randomize, then we'll do a recap. Most of your rookies will get sleeved up, bigger hits top loaded. Hopefully out by tomorrow. Thank you again for joining, appreciate it. Griffey Jr., Stan Musial, Whit Merrifield, Reese Kanner, rookie for the Padres, Gavin Sheets, rookie, White Sox, Mickey Cochran, Artist Palette Harmon Killebrew, and last rookie is going to be for the Braves, Spencer Strider. Strider rookie. All right. Let's make some space here, and then we'll do that random for those cards. Then the recap. I randomized that for everyone. Yeah, that's how it is sometimes. 96 cards. So I think the set has like 300 cards. Sorry about that. All right, let's go. Random.org on these. Double, we'll roll a die one time and then we'll do a list randomizer with that. Thanks, Brian. All right, random.org, dice roll, 1 virtual die. Thank you, Ian. Have a good night. Appreciate it. We'll go for roll of 1, 2. We'll go to the left. 3, 4 for the middle, and 5, 6 for the right side there. Good luck on those teams. That's going to be a 2. Left side is going to go to Salvador Perez and Robbie Ray for the Blue Jays. All right, this one I'm going to randomize for everyone. Let me just pull up all the team names really quick. All right, there's random.org, list randomizer. There's all our teams. 824 breaks, I'll randomize it 8 times. Team on top will take that card there. Good luck. There's 1, there's a 30 teams. 7 more times, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Top team, White Sox. 8 times there. Cool Papa Bale for the White Sox. All right, let's do that recap for you guys. Couple of inserts and parallels here. Juan Soto, Yordan Alvarez, Julio Urias, Juan Soto, Mike Trout. Oh, that's the rookie there. Ivan Rodriguez, Bryce Harper, Orange, Waltham, that's Kyle Schwarber. Trending of Lou Bob, Jared Kelenic, Joey Votto to 2022, and a Acuna Red Hollow. There's some rookies here. Mackenzie Gore. There's that batting helmet of Royce Lewis for the Twins. Spencer Strider, Jake Myers, Brandon Marsh, Josh Lowe, Reed Detmers, Aaron Ashby, Shane Boz, McCormick, Bierling, Bruhan, Siri, Yepes, and Diekman, and Contreras. Hunter Green, Boz, Baez, got a Royce Lewis, Suzuki, Thomas, another Suzuki parallel, another Thomas, Torkelson debut, Kwan, Gavin Sheets, Big Foil, McCarthy, Nootbaar, Orange, Cabrera, Berger, Strider, Brash, and Cal Raleigh. Plum frame, that's going to go to Gavin Sheets, White Sox, O'Neill Cruz base. 2 of the gray frame teammates, Trout and Shohei. Big foil, Wander, Bobby Witt, Wander, red chrome there. It's going to be Lou Bob, number to 573. Julio, Stars of MLB. Alex Bregman, numbered to 99. Father's Day parallel, Tampa Bay rookie combo, number to 50. Portrait materials, Mark McGuire for the Cardinals, number to 25. And their auto of Curtis Terry for the Twins, dual patch auto. All right, that concludes our break for tonight. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Till next time. Have a good night.